Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to the month of August. In South Africa, August is Women's Month. So I am wishing everyone a very happy Women's Month. We have got a short week and a long weekend. I wish you all enjoy the long weekend coming up. Today I've got a recipe that you can try on the long weekend. It is quick and easy. It is a chicken sub that we are going to make in our air fryer. I have a leftover roast chicken which I'm going to shred. I'm using half of a small onions that I diced small, half of a small tomato that I also diced small. And here I have 2 peppadew chilies that I cut. I'm going to make a quick peri-mayonnaise with my mayonnaise and with my hot chili sauce that I made. This chili sauce that I made, it's gone almost 6 weeks. We have got our hot sauce in a large bottle in our fridge, but we put a little at a time which lasts us a week in our little bottle, so our large bottle stay fresh for a longer period of time. I've got mozzarella cheese, which I'm going to use half of this, which is 100 grams, to grate onto my sub. Here I have a long French loaf that I'm going to cut exactly to my air fryer basket. We are going to start by shredding our chicken and preparing our loaf. Here's my shredded chicken, and I'm going to demonstrate you 2. But you can make as many as the loaf. To my chicken, I'm going to add a tablespoon of mayonnaise and a teaspoon of my hot sauce. I'll give this a quick mix. You can use the same mixture in chicken mayo sandwiches or chicken wraps. I am going to prepare my bread for the sub. So here I have my basket of the air fryer. So this size will fit in. Measure same size. So this is my 2 pieces that I'm going to use. I will cut in the center of my loaf. I am not going all the way to the bottom, and then I'm going to break in between. I'm also not going right to the bottom. Now I am going to fold this. I am using the center of my loaf. I'm going to start filling it with my chicken. Firstly, I'm going to sprinkle in a little onions. And also my tomatoes. And my peppadew. I am going to give a good sprinkling of my mozzarella cheese on top. Just pressing it lightly. My sub is ready to pop into my air fryer. Here I have my parchment paper lined into my basket. I'm going to just place this onto the center part like this. I'm going to put this into my air fryer. I'm going to set my air fryer to pizza. My setting for pizza is 17 minutes and 160 degrees. But we will check as we go along. I'm ready to press start. I am ready to make my second piece once when the first piece come out. So I will pop in my second piece. This started about 17 minutes and 9 minutes has passed. So we checked it and it's done. My cheese is melted and it browned a little, but you can make it a little more crispy and more brown. And you can also top it with some Italian herbs. Here's your chicken sub, quick and easy meal. We used our leftover chicken roast. You can also use your leftover chicken fry and make a beautiful sub like this in little time. You can also do a vegetarian sub or any option or whatever leftover curries that you have in the fridge. This is a good idea and it's quick and easy using the air fryer. Thank you all for watching. Give it a try and enjoy the coming long weekend.